love it?
It smells like
Smells
sand.
like sand already.
Yeah.
Alright, today is the day. It's kind of dark in here, that's why the quality is bad, right? What's today?
No,
The day
Of what?
No,
of the 3-week trip vacation. Vacation.
Who is excited?
Me.
500 feet, turn right.
That's
I'm sad that we're leaving the house.
awesome.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Yep, he's driving and I'm just a passenger. Right?
Yeah, you're a passenger with the kids and Dad's driving.
Turn
Yeah,
right
that's
onto
right.
Northwest Kroger Road.
Alright. Just checked in.
Can we go on the
Are you guys
escalator?
excited?
Can we go on the escalator?
No, because we're going to the security right now. We're going to the security TSA pre-check, right? Yeah, that's a nice sweater, Eric. First time going through TSA pre-check. This should be a little quicker than standing in the security line there. That was a nice experience with the TSA pre-check. We basically went through the whole thing in like 4 minutes. We're there. Now off to the gate.
Couldn't sleep all night.
The flight was great. Come on, Texas. Trying to catch your next flight. This is our next flight. Like in 5 minutes after the other one.
This time I'm sitting with you.
This one's going to Florida.
No, I'm gonna say what you want.
Okay.
I'm not doing this. No, wait. This time you.
And we are off to Florida. think you're gonna sleep on this one? No?
Yeah, we just ate some Doritos.
We already slept on the other plane?
We just ate some.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we're going to the another plane.
We're going on another plane right
Yeah,
now.
and
right?
that's it.
And that's it. And we should be there, right?
Yeah, today. I can't believe today we're going to the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now we're at Texas.
Mm-hmm. You're right. And then what?
And there's Doritos.
Oh, Doritos.
Yeah, we're going to get some.
What was that?
Somebody farted.
No. You're so funny. They were trying to test some things probably. And we're going to be flying up.
And we're gonna,
So bright.
and then we're gonna fly down.
Look,
Oh, yeah.
this side of my face doesn't look like an angel.
Yeah, it's so bright, huh?
And my ear looks like it's golden.
Golden. It is see-through and it's like yellow. Okay, here we are. And we are in the air, right?
Let me show them. What's
It's gonna show you guys what's out there.
now you can imagine you're at a plane.
That's right. Almost there. These boys are sleeping. I just slept too. We are in Florida. This guy is sleeping still. Where are we, Katie? Huh? Are you still
I don't know.
sleeping?
It's overnight flight. It was all-nighter.
I actually liked it. It was really nice.
I only slept for 3 hours.
I only slept for like 30 minutes.
I slept pretty good. I like the overnight flight. Kids are sleeping. Right?
Let's go get our
We're
bags.
in Florida now. Here we are waiting for our baggage. And Katie just noticed someone over there. You can barely hold herself and going and petting that little dog. So we just got our car and on our way to new car. We're gonna stop by a store and then go to our hotel. like sand already.
Yeah. Okay.
Salt and sea and sand. I love it. The weather is so nice.
Beach down.
So nice. Look at that sand.
Open. My feet down.
You wanna go do it?
I want to go get it, but the thing is, there's a ton of seaweed, which is gross.
Yeah, I want to go with Dad in there.
That's nice.
Can I be on your...
It is seriously so nice here. I just absolutely love it. Like the breeze and the sun and the waves, you know, the sound of the waves. I just love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also watch out for more fun videos of this amazing and exciting trip that we're on. And go ahead and subscribe. How are you guys doing? Is that water warm?
Yep, super.
Nice. Is it warm, Eric?
Oh,
That's nice. Well, enjoy your time.
super warm.
I could go on my knees on this step.
Mhm. Hi. Nice to see you. That's okay.
You're
Did
so
you
big!
say
Katie's got so much taller too.
hi? Say hi to Gala.
Hey,
Remember
Are
her?
you shy? Is someone shy? He was always shy. Oh well, they have
Yeah.
several pools here.
They do, yeah. They have this pool. So now we're heading out with Galina somewhere, right? You guys excited? We just actually came from the beach. We kind of hang out there and took pictures.
I saw some light.
Yeah, and there's some storm over there coming. So where are you guys? Huh?
A vegan place.
Why is your eyes like that, so wide open? Eric, where are you? Are we in a restaurant?
He's like, where are
Like,
we?
I got my ketchup, that's all I care about.
Here's his answer. His answer is, where are we? Can't you see? We're right here.
You're so funny. So yeah, we decided to head out with Galina to a pretty cool place here, like a vegan place. We just want to try out a
It's a GB.
few meals, right?
It's green bar GB.
Yes.
GB.
So we just got some of the food. Nice. Is this good? Are those like French fries? The vegan kind? The healthy kind? Did you get your mac and cheese? Yeah. Gonna got her
The only
wings.
place